Unbelievable, making money out of nature. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos. Hi friends, I trust you are doing good. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your friend K Kadenda, the avocado and carrot scout. In this video guys, we wanna talk about how can someone make money out of God's nature. I believe many of us we fail to do something in life due to lack of capital. Yet people have no idea that even when you have no capital, you can still do something that will help you to generate income. So in this video guys, I will talk much on something which is common in Africa, particularly in Zambia. If people make use of this, I believe they will be surprised on what they will find in this business, especially to people who are struggling like I did myself. Pretty much friends, this business, it does not require any capital, or what it requires, the only capital that it requires is brain. I was told that brain is the first capital that everyone should have. It only requires brain and hard working. Stay tuned guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos. Stay tuned. I believe each one of us can see what is happening here guys. This is glass which is cleaned, in other ways which is searched very well, and this is the grass which is used to build lodges, houses. This thing I'm sure everyone has seen it before. So this is the business I'm gonna talk about and how it is done in the heart of Karomo, in Zambia. Stay tuned guys. Pretty much guys, like I said, this business does not require any financial capital. All what it requires is being yourself, hardworking, if you go well with this business guys, you will never go wrong because there's no loss. All what it requires is working hard. Okay, as you can see, I'm collecting grass which will be cleaned, and people may ask, where are we selling this grass? This grass guys has a very high demand, especially to those who construct lodges, houses, who want to design their houses, decorate their houses. Once it is cleaned like what I'm doing now, you can see yourself that it will be ready to be what can I say, it will be ready to be sold. Like I said, it has high demand in areas where they construct roads. So we have buyers from Congo, from Livingstone, and every part of Zambia. So pretty much it's a good business, especially to those who are struggling, like I said, to have capital. This is something that everyone should think of. It just requires hard working. Pretty much stay tuned, guys, as I will talk more about this. But please don't forget to subscribe and like to this video for more videos. Stay tuned. I and my wife, we were struggling pocket-wise. Not until I came across this business, and I told my wife to be on ourselves, and pretty much, guys, from then we were amazed on what we found in this business. It's just a simple thing. We are out in the bush collecting some grass and cleaning, have it cleaned. So I will talk much on this. I will tell you what to use. Definitely, if you have a sickle and I don't know what this is, it's called. I'll find out from my wife. But it's something it's made like a comb. Nails. You just put nails on the stick. It's doing a good job, as you can see. Pretty much, guys. If you have loved this, please tell me where you are watching me from and what you want to hear about this business. You can leave your view in the comment section. Let's go to the how do we sell it? Stay tuned as I'll take you back to the stock of my product. Great. Behind me, guys, is a stock of small bunches of grass, which is ready to be sown. And if you can see those small bunch, I'm sure they are seen behind me. Each bunch is 5 kwacha. As you can see, those small bunch, each bunch is 5 kwacha. So let's say I've got 3,000 bunches of the same. So if you calculate 3,000 times 5, how much can it give you? And this is something which is affordable and something that can be done within a month. So if I'm not mistaken, this has been done in 3 weeks, 3 weeks time, and we are able to make over 3,000 bunches. So I believe you can agree with me that this is a good business. Thank you for watching, friends. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell that whenever you post a video, you are able to watch it. Love you all. Bye bye.